Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. This medical mission, Way to Wellness, is something close to our hearts. We organized this as part of Escobar's 3rd anniversary. And instead of throwing a party, we wanted to do something more meaningful. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa pagbigay ng libreng gamot. It's about helping you understand your health better and by guiding you to small, doable steps toward wellness. Health doesn't have to be complicated. All it takes is someone who is willing to listen and a community that shows up for each other. Happy anniversary, Escobars! Ito ang pinakauna nating charity event. This will be the first of many to come. Ma'am, regalo po namin sa Barangay Teachers Village East. Thank you for making this happen. Itong event natin. Ito po ang plaque galing sa Escobars.
Maraming salamat po.
Picture po tayo.
Yan po ni Kapitana, ang kagawa din dahil.
Tama.
Thank you po sa inyo.